Hi everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a tasty, creamy cilantro, garlic, and lime salad dressing. This dressing is so good. When I was recipe testing it, I was just eating it by the spoonful. I didn't even put it on a salad. It was that delicious. I think you're going to like it, so let's get cooking. Okay, so to make this dressing, we're going to start with some roughly chopped up cilantro, a little bit of lime juice. Now I'm using avocado oil because I think it just blends well with the ingredients, but you can definitely use olive oil, so don't run out to buy avocado oil just to make this. Some non-fat yogurt and fresh garlic. Now we're just gonna go ahead and chop this up until it's nice and even consistency. And I forgot the salt, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that in right now. Okay, once more. Let's give that a try. It's tangy from the yogurt, garlicky, good amount of lime juice. It's really, really nice. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and dress the salad here just to give it the full test. It's just a lovely dressing. If you wanted to modify it, say you like heat, you could definitely add a little bit of jalapeno just to spice it up some. But now for the full test. Okay, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like to cook like I do, then hey, I release new videos every single week, so you should definitely subscribe. And if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. I'm always looking for inspiration. I'll see you guys next time.